Alright, here we're going to simplify. It just looks very scary, but it's not, okay, because everything's being added or subtracted, but in groups, right? Just adding and subtracting each group. So you got to think of what's in front of the group. When in here, there's like an invisible 1. So if you were to multiply everything by that invisible 1, pretty much all the signs stay the same, correct? And over here in front of this group is also an invisible positive 1. So all the signs stay the same again. But over here there's an invisible minus 1, or you can say it'd be like a negative 1. So when you multiply by a negative 1, actually these signs are going to end up changing. So the positive 3 becomes negative 3. This becomes negative 2m3, and this one positive. So you're subtracting these and adding this one. Now as far as what you do, now you got to look at all your powers. The one with the highest power is a 4. They call that degree 4. So those are like terms. We say that those are like terms because they're both degree 4. We have a negative 1 and we have a negative 3, so it gives you a negative 4 of the m4s. Then you look again, after the 4 comes the 3, right? So I'm going to bring 3's here. There's one right there. There's another one right there. The third power, that means the degree is 3. So I have a positive 1 and a negative 2. If you add or subtract those, that ends up being negative 1. So I just put minus m to the third power. So down the line we go. It's time for the second power. So I got that one. And that's it, right? Okay. So let's bring that down. And then I have the first power. So that'll be this one here, and this one here. And in front of those we have negative 5, positive 7, and positive 1. So that should give us positive 3. And then finally our last one here is the one that doesn't have an m. They call it constant. And you put these in descending order, or the degrees or the powers, and you're pretty much done.